In this video we'll talk about the accordion and how to add accordion to Titan Web. It's a really cool feature. So if you click plus and go into containers, you've got something called accordion. Now there are many different use cases. For example, you can set this up to be like a simultaneous form that follows from step 1 to all the way to 3 and however many you want. For example, I can say create account here. I can say create contact here, create case here. And you can pass many different fields inside the accordion. So for example, let's say once I've created my account, then I can go to contact, then I go to case. You can even add like this, like 1, 2, 3, and hopefully get the idea. And from here on you can even move these up and down as you see fit. It's really up to you. But there is another way of doing this, which is dynamic, and you can sync from Salesforce. Let's say I wanted to bring back, actually opportunity is a good one, so we use opportunity and we'll use stage, and I'll click apply, save, and then preview. And now what it's going to do is going to bring that pick list dynamically into each of accordions. So it's really cool, as you can see here, prospecting, qualification, these are all my pick list values. But what more can you do with this? So, well, let's get on to that and I'll show you what more we can do with this. Let's say I'll move this over here and I will get a table, and specifically a power table. And I'll say opportunity, bring me up to 20 records, where opportunity stage equals my field, and this is going to be the accordion label. You can use value or label, it's up to you. Specifically, you need to be mindful when you use value. It could actually have a Salesforce value behind it. But in my case, label is enough, because label probably will mean the stage, and this is the actual label here. So that's fine for me. So if I go next, and then I'll add a bunch of columns, like name, like stage, and then finally we'll do amount. That's a good one. And now it's created. The tables inside it will make it a bit wider. And I think we are good to go. I'm just going to increase the strip size here. And we're good. Now the important thing is when you move the accordion that whatever elements are inside move with it. If they don't, then it's going to look, it's not going to work essentially. Now you saw that I configured the table, but where do I actually trigger that within the accordion? Where you do that is under the content, click on configure action. So click action, Salesforce action, and this is actually my get that was created when I created the power table. So now if I click save and click preview, what you'll find as soon as I click on, let's say prospecting, it's going to run that trigger. So I click it, it's running that trigger, and it's brought back all stage of opportunities where equals prospecting. So let's give it a second. Maybe I loaded it too quickly. There it is. As you can see, there's prospecting. Let me just load it a little bit better again. And what we'll do is I'll move this strip down, and then this one can move up a little bit like this. So let's click preview. Let's expand. Let's say we go to qualification, and every time I click on that, it's going to run that trigger to bring that data back from Salesforce as per the label of that. So it's qualification. You can see all the opportunities where label equals qualification. Let's go needs analysis, and as soon as I open one accordion, the one before it automatically closes for you. So it's really, really cool functionality that you can use, and hopefully it's going to make a ton of sense for you during this video, that you can bring it all back, put a little table inside it, base of that table, run a value or label, and then bring some data back. You can even insert and create records as per that value. There's a lot of flexibility available in there. So yeah, a hell of a lot of flexibility available in there, and then from here on you can look at columns, modify the columns if you want. These are table columns, but here in accordion you can hide on load, disable the parent size, collapse on load, make it distinct options as well. So that's the accordion functionality for you, and yeah, check it out. And one last thing is the styling. Obviously, it's in the styling icon here, and you can style just about whatever you want. These are the different attributes available to styling. That's accordion for you.